New at 11, Eversource Energy is once again warning you to not pay attention to people pretending to be from the electric company. Con artists are trying to trick you out of your money. Eversource said their people always carry identification and never stop at your house or call you. If you think someone's impersonating an Eversource representative, follow the 3 Ps. Don't panic, don't pay, and don't provide any personal information. You can call police. You can also call 877-659-6526 to verify.